my gosh.
This is the first time I've ever pulled over in Arizona.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
All right, we are day 2 in Arizona. I've been enjoying Arizona. Honestly, it's such a different vibe from California. I don't know, it's cool. It's a nice little change from, you know, California. Lots of just open land and cactus everywhere. But yeah, right now we are actually on the way to a photo shoot. Apparently this is a super sick spot, so I figured I might as well take you guys in the vlog. Super random, but since there's cactus everywhere, I learned, and this is actually very interesting, that cactuses are like hundreds and hundreds of years old, but once they start growing those like arms that go sideways, apparently they grow arms every 75 years. Also, apparently it's some sort of felony and jail time if you get caught cutting down a cactus. I don't know, I just find that very interesting. I just thought that cactuses were just a basic plant, but apparently in Arizona they're very special. Just grew a whole level of appreciation of cactus. I searched up cutting down a cactus in Arizona. It's illegal without permission and a permit. If you get caught stealing one, it says $150,000 fine and or 5 years in prison for cutting down a cactus and stealing it. Also this too, how often do cactus grow arms? 50 to 75 years to grow their first arm. Damn, that has like freaking 10 arms on it. Yeah, that's an old one. Bro, I'm just so fascinated by them now. I love Austin's car so much. I showed in the previous video when we were at the Barrett Jackson show, but he has a StreetHunter kit as well, and his car has a big turbo in it. I'll go and show you guys more once we get out of the car, but his car is definitely gold. This thing sounds insane. Dude, the thing sounds so good. Dude, you guys hear that? Oh my goodness. That's like literally the last missing piece to my car is a turbo kit. Alright guys, so while the photographers over there do their thing with the BRZ, it's actually a pretty sick spot. You have a big cactus right here with the mountains in the background and just like the overcast, the clouds. It looks so sick right there. Got my guy Austin again. If you guys remember his car yesterday, we're at the show. Kind of briefly showed you guys his 86 and what he has done to it. But as you can tell, obviously it's super freaking sick. He has a StreetHunter kit, just like, you know, my 2022 BRZ. But I'll go ahead and hand it over to him and pretty much talk about like everything. I've been literally geeking about your turbo kit like ever since I freaking saw this thing in person, or online actually. But yeah, like what's done to the car, I'm sure a lot of people are gonna want to know, you know, like so everything you have done to it.
Same kit as Chris's car, StreetHunter. I like this kit because it's more OEM plus. Some of the other kits are a little out there for me. So like my vision with this build was kind of like Porsche 911, then there's the GT car. Like I wanted a GT version, like OEM plus.
Oh yeah,
cool
sure.
aero. I'm on coilovers, I'm not on bags, just because I live out here in Arizona. There's a lot of canyons and whatnot.
Yeah.
So we built the wheels to the kit, 18 by 12 in the rear, 18 by 10 and a half in the front.
Yeah, so good.
Full Tomei, and then custom from JDL 3-inch overpipe front pipe combo. And then I'll pop the hood. We got a P&L Motorsports turbo kit.
Damn, so this is the P&L kit. Are you like one of the first to have this kit, or have they like?
Other than their shop car, I am the first.
Oh, nice.
It's a G30, Garrett G30 770, which is a relatively big turbo, but my thought process behind getting this turbo was because this engine's so high compression, we wanted to keep low end torque down a little bit.
Yeah.
But surprisingly, it doesn't care. It doesn't matter. It makes torque anyways. If I want it to, it'll make full boost at 2,500 RPM. We haven't dynoed it yet. We're putting on the dyno this week, but based on data from tuning and numbers and everything and a couple other cars, we estimate high 400s, maybe 500 wheel horsepower.
For a freaking 86 is insane.
Yeah, it's on E90, 1050s in the port injection, and then a Walbro 485 in the tank.
Damn. And then the exhaust setup, you said it's a fully catless like turbo kit, right?
Yep. So full catless, so P&L downpipe, and then from there, Jesse at JDL made me a custom 3-inch overpipe. 3-inch front pipe, and then to a 3-inch Tomei. So we wanted it to be full 3-inch.
Oh wow! So you're pretty much fully catalyst, like no resonators.
Yep. Nope.
Just the Tomei.
Yep. But yeah, so we started tuning, and it was choking up at the factory overpipe. It's like 2 1/4. So we went full 3-inch. Patch can is Racer X. The car definitely needs it when you go boost it, otherwise it'll start getting some blow by and smoking.
Yeah.
And then nothing really crazy, just little tidbits like Blitz caps.
Dress up kit.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I got low glow. Shout out Jordan.
And then you said you have a tile blow-off valve, right?
Yep. So tile blow-off valve, and then down there tile wastegate. So it's an open dump. It's super wild. We'll go for a ride.
The open dump sounds insane. I heard him literally like all the way down there. I couldn't even see his car, but I just heard his like wastegate. It sounds crazy.
Willwood big brake kit just to stop it.
Yeah, that's
honestly
sick.
for looks, doesn't need it. Interior, we've got Bride E-Derb 032 Prestiges. A lot of people don't know about these.
Those are very interesting.
Yeah,
different.
So Bride's E-Derb line is just all leather.
That's sick.
And then just a bunch of carbon stuff from a combination of Driven Media. Shout out Kevin.
Hey Kevin. Literally all you need, bro. Wide body kit, wrap, wheels, solid turbo kit. These cars look so good, especially with this front bumper, like the front mount, dude, it looks insane. It's like this bumper needs one.
Yeah, because it's so big.
Yeah.
You fill the space nicely with your bash bar.
Yeah.
I'm assuming you'll probably replace that with,
with
the intercooler.
That's why I did the bash bar on this car, because this little like rectangle is just,
it's huge.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I ran into his car on Instagram like, I don't know, when did I follow you? Like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah. Pretty
recent, and it turned out he was in Arizona, so it worked out. You know, we were coming for the show, so I just had to see this thing in person, because this car is like everything. Literally like turbo boost and everything is definitely like something I would do to my car. Some sort of like an end goal for my car. So honestly, I love your car, bro. It's just such a solid build, dude.
Go for a ride and they can hear what it sounds like.
Heck yeah.
It's a little wet out here, so.
I know. Not gonna have much traction, but.
Yeah, it'll be fun though.
Fun fact, before I did the purple, I was gonna do a red. So it's actually really cool to see what this car looks like in red, because this was one of the, honestly, one of the options I was gonna do on my car. Ever thought about doing clear tails or no?
That's next.
Oh, it is next?
Yeah.
Oh shoot,
So
okay.
Next for this car, clear tails. And then I'm gonna do a Gen 1 Voltec swan neck wing, because I don't like any of the new ones.
That'll be sick. That'll be sick.
Yeah, and then that'll really be it. Kind of just drive it.
Yeah.
Maybe some more dress up stuff.
That's all the car really needs, to be honest.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's pretty much all you need. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments of Austin's car. We're gonna get some sound clips right now. Probably, you know, be in the car with him. And I'm excited, because it's actually gonna be the first time I've ever driven or ridden in a boosted second gen. So I think this is the day you're gonna convince me, dude, to get a turbo kit. I think it's a day.
You're gonna go home and order a kit.
I know. But yeah, I mean, a turbo kit is all I really need for my car. We've been talking, you know, with a specific company. If you guys know, you know, but we've been talking. So it's definitely in the works, because it is literally the only missing piece on my car. You know, we have the StreetHunter kit too, bags, wheels, exhaust, and that's literally the missing piece is a turbo kit. You know, I do have a supercharger on the FRS, so I kind of want to just like expand my horizons and experience something different, you know what I mean? I really talked about, you know, doing a lot of things different for, you know, 2024. So I goes with everything, you know, in life in general. So I feel like it's only right that we do a turbo for that car. When the time comes, whenever that is, I'm gonna definitely have to remove all of that camber that I have on it, because that's definitely not gonna work with, you know, bigger power. But we'll figure that out once that comes. Oh my gosh, bro, what the heck? Dude, that's insane.
That's why you need external gauge.
Gosh, bro, that's crazy. This guy's crazy. Guys, come on. Bro, I need a turbo so bad now. following right behind him, and you can just smell pure E85. That's all you can smell. This car is fully catless, running E85, and dude, it just reeks of E85 right now. No way, he just drifted that whole intersection. Arizona is so sick. I absolutely love all the cars I've been seeing. You guys have like no car lots, which is amazing. I don't know, maybe we gotta move to Arizona, guys. What do you think? So clean. I think they're gonna do it. Here they go. Oh, he's spinning. Literally never gets old. You can never get tired of that sound, ever. Alright guys, so some hours have passed. Me and my girlfriend actually went to dinner over here in Arizona, but I kind of transported to a place I want to show you guys. It's actually really sick. I'm back with Austin. We are at Low Glow. This is Low Glow headquarters where they ship out all of their underglow. We're actually gonna go on a little ride along. I feel like this is the thing that's gonna convince me to get a turbo kit on my car. It's always experiencing that turbo. I feel like that's just gonna completely sell me on a kit. That thing sounds so good, dude. Dude, even spinning, bro, that feels so quick.
Oh, dude, it's going nowhere.
Wow.
Yeah, no, that's all spin.
To me, I'm used to just freaking 200 horsepower, so this is like world of a difference. Ooh, little pops.
Great traction.
Spinning the whole time.
Those are 285s.
285s?
And it's dry right here.
You're running Nittos, right?
Yeah.
Wow. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask, like, price points. So how much, say if someone watches this video, hey, I want a turbo kit for my 86 or BRC, how much did you spend?
Yeah, so
on everything?
like turbo kit, fuel system, tuning, you're gonna be probably around 8 grand, maybe 8,500.
Yeah.
Just depending on what you go with. The base kits range from like 6 to 7 grand. Injectors are 500 bucks. Fuel pump, depending on what you go with, is gonna be range from like 150 to 300 bucks.
Yeah.
And then Ecutech, so you have to buy the kit.
Yeah, that's all you have. So the turbo kit, injectors, fuel pump, Ecutech to tune it, and that's about it, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, and then flex fuel kit, right, too?
I'm not on flex fuel.
Oh, you're not?
I run straight E.
Oh, shoot. You don't need a flex fuel kit for this car?
No.
Oh, wow.
Because our E85 is really consistent, and it always tests the same, so.
That's interesting. Already has a cop behind it. Bro, what? How do you drive like that with a cop behind you? You're crazy. I would've got state reps in Cali. Nah, bro, not with a cop behind you. You're crazy. Jesus, behind you.
I'm actually getting pulled over.
What?
Yeah, it's the first time I've ever been pulled over in Arizona.
Are you serious?
Yeah, here, film this. So the car was down for like a year, and I literally just finished it.